the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 power 5 and 5 is. So if we look here, the common factors from both the numbers are 2 and 5. Therefore, HCF is 2 into 5. So that is the first option. The next question, the sum of first n natural numbers is, the options are n into n plus 1, n into n plus 2 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1. So if we look here, I can write Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and here my first term is 1, so a is equal to 1, and the common difference between these numbers are again 1, and the n value is n itself. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting the values, we get n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1. So solving this, we get n into n plus 1 by 2. So the correct option is C. Next question. In a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, which of the following situations cannot arise? So here the options are, the first one is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. The second option, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. Third option, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. And the last option, a1 is equal to a2 and b1 is equal to b2 and c1 is equal to c2. So for the first option, we get a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. We actually get a unique solution. And the second option is and for this particular condition, we get no solution. And the third option, for this we get infinite number of solutions. So therefore, the D option, which is A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2, C1 is equal to C2 is not possible. Fourth question, the number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x in the given graph is. So here if you look at the graph, the polynomial p of x meets the x-axis at 3 points. So these are the 3 points at which the curve is meeting the x-axis. Therefore, the correct option is 3, which is the option B.